morning, guys. Prosper 747 here, and I'm still not sure we want to keep that channel name. Old, just kind of rolling with it now. But today we are going to be tearing down this 460. So let's get started. So this is my 460 big block that will be going in the 65 Mustang, which I will go ahead and show y'all in case you're new to the channel. Which, if you are, by the way, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And there's a big tractor on here. Anyways, it's a 65 Mustang that we are, wind noise, but anyways, 65 Mustang that we are working on. Yeah, it's a pile of junk, but we are slowly restoring it, no rush. But today, this is more important. So, what exactly am I going to be doing with this engine? So first off, these heads are going bye-bye because I need to get access to the pistons, the rods, and actually spring you over here. So, as most of y'all probably know, y'all probably more experienced than I am, but these are your lifters, and you got your lifter rods and all of that, which actually the rods are already out. You got your lifter springs, and actually I'm gonna be replacing this whole head because I want something that's gonna be able to hold, or actually withstand boost. But anyways, let's go ahead and stop talking, hop right into this. So it stopped recording, and I'm not even sure when, but here's the crankshaft and all the rods and pistons and all that. But next, I'll probably do it off camera though, as get up, mosquito. Take these back of these things to hold the rods off. All right. Now, for those people that are following me along as a guide, or maybe just want to learn something, so these are called heads, not headers, not head manifolds, not nothing of that. Heads. These are heads to an engine, and these are some heavy mother trucker. Shut your mouth. Anyways, but this is going to be your lifter spring, which they actually like rock back and forth. Birds on crack over here, but then you have your actual, lifter thing. These engines do not have injectors, as you know. They have carburetors, so there's none of that nonsense. Which, maybe I will go EFI or something like that with a sniper kit. Somebody's coming down my road. Don't know who it is. This is obviously where your exhaust manifold will go, or headers, whatever you want to call them. Not heads, headers. Then you have your actual, I forgot what these are called. They're the things that hold the rods in place, but you take them off. Drive down the road. Take them off, rods come off. Don't know what those are called. But this long thing right here that everything sits on is called a crankshaft, which actually is what I was turning here, which is ran by this thing right here. See, you turn it. I can't turn it really. The thing is sliding. But more fluids. Anyways, this is your collector for metal shavings and all that. So then you have your rods, which are right here. This is a rod. And then your pistons is obviously right here, which actually has a lot of oil in the back of it. And then obviously that's oil pan. That's an intake manifold. Bolts. And then I'm going to have to actually take out the camshaft now that I'm thinking about it, which probably will be a pain because I'm sure it's rusted in there, because the rest of this crap was already rusted and I had to get my dad to help get it off because, I'm not very big, like 125 pounds, but that's okay. We got it off. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and clean up and wrap this video up. Thank you for watching. I'm thinking about changing my channel name to like LJ's Builds or something just simple instead of Prosperous. That was a long time ago. Thinking about doing that. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you think of the build. And yeah, I guess we can go out here right quick and look over at the 65. I ain't done nothing. But this is my 65 Mustang that's gonna be onto the truck that I'm gonna be restoring, which it's in pretty rough shape right now, which is okay. It's what I wanted, so I could be able to. What the? I guess he wanted action. Anyways, I wanted to be able to chop it up, and not really care about it. And parts on this car is actually reasonably, like, really cheap. Anyways, let's go ahead and wrap this video up. And, that's pretty much it. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. So, yeah, thank you for watching. I guess I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.